Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this Mercedes W303. This is a 2006 model, and I'm going to reset the service interval that comes up here. So it says service B 253 days overdue, if you can see that. So we're gonna reset that, and basically, so just put the key in the ignition, turn it to position 2 where the lights come on, and that message will come up. If you just acknowledge that with this button here, then you have the mileage showing there. Now with this arrow up here, either up or down, if you go to and search for that menu again, so it says service B 250 days overdue, then press and hold this button for a few seconds and that message will come up. And then it tells you to press to reset button for another 3 seconds. So we're gonna press it again. 1, 2, 3. So sorry, I did it a bit too late, but now I'm gonna press it again. And now it says service interval has been reset. And that's it, service A in 10,000 miles. So now if you switch the ignition off, you will not get the reminder. So hope the video helps. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. We'll see you all in the next video. So thank you for watching.